Hey everybody, and welcome back to another video. Today I am going to show you how can you play Fortnite on the best settings possible on a low-end PC. And I'm going to give you the best settings for you to play and have the best experience while not getting any stutters or FPS drops. So how can we do that? So we're going to go on the top left corner, and then we're going to settings, and now we are in the video settings. Now there's first of all, one thing that you need to do is basically go into something called performance mode, okay? How can you go into the performance mode? It's one mode of rendering modes. You're probably going to be in DirectX 11 or DirectX 12. Navigate all the way to the right until something called performance low graphics mode. Now when you do that, you have to restart the game. So I'll restart the game and I'll meet you there. Once you restart your game and you're in performance mode, you're going to navigate to your settings again, okay? And now we're going to do multiple things, okay? First of all, make sure your frame rate limit is just one bit higher than your refresh rate. So let's say your monitor has a refresh rate of 60, okay, at 60 FPS. Then either you stay on 60 FPS or go to 120. If you feel like there's problems with FPS on 120, go back and turn it back to 60 FPS, okay? But I'd recommend for you to stay on the same frame rate limit as your refresh monitor. So I have a 120 refresh rate, I'll go with 120 FPS, okay? Make sure you're in the window mode is full screen, as it's going to give you the least input delay and it's not going to give you the most stutters, okay? And your resolution, you can turn it you can just tune it down a little bit. It's going to make the graphics look a little bit blocky, but it's definitely going to give you a performance boost. VSync, this needs to be turned off completely. Always keep it turned off, okay? Now, we're going to all the graphics quality, okay? Make sure the view distance is as least as it possible, okay? So make it near. And now textures, of course, make it low, okay? Auto download high textures off. High resolution texture reminders off. And meshes, keep it off, okay? Because meshes, there's not a big difference between low and high, but always low is going to give you the best performance. Now, if you still suffer from problems in FPS, make sure to play with the 3D resolution. Tune it down from 10 to 20%, not lower than that. If you turn it way too low, the game is going to look so blocky and you're not going to have fun, okay? So make sure it's between 80 to 90 to 100%, okay? And hopefully it's going to work for you. And if this actually helped you guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. And yeah, see you later.